Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Uphold's cold storage feature. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to open the Uphold website, or you can open the mobile app and log into your account using your email address and password. Next, you want to click on the cold storage or vault tab. Next, you want to click on the create a new vault button. Next, just choose the asset that you want to store in cold storage. It could include cryptocurrencies or precious metals. Next, just set up your vault settings. So that includes vault name, description, and access control. After that, you want to transfer the chosen assets to the vaults. And next, you got to review your vault setup and confirm that the information is accurate, and proceed with the final step. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Uphold's cold storage feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.